Hey everybody, it's Robin from Rover. We've got Happy Mail. Mary Maxim. I don't know what it is. I don't remember ordering anything. So there's a good chance that it is one of my Crochet of the Month things. Let's look and see. I love Mary Maxim. I love their kits. It's the only subscription that I do anymore. Did I order this? Let's see what the paper says. The paper says this is my Crochet Club of the Month. And so this is a monthly thing. Obviously, Crochet Club of the Month. They have a crochet, they have knitting, they have... What else do they have? Seems like... plastic canvas. They have a plastic canvas of the month. I think that's it. They also have... Yeah. The crochet, the knit. They also have the quarterly Afghan knit club and quarterly Afghan crochet club. That was my crochet. I love it. Okay, so this costs $16.99 plus a flat rate $5 shipping. So all in $22. Let's see what we got. I am rarely disappointed in these. Once in a blue moon, but not generally. As always, it came in the cool little zippy bag. And we have 3 skeins, 3 cakes of yarn. Those are pretty. Kind of pinky, whitey, taupey, beigey colors. And it's a wrap. It says scarf or wrap. Let's get this open and see what we've got going on here. Queensland Connect Collection Sunshine Coast. Wow, that is pretty. Ooh, this is Superwash Merino and Bamboo Blend. It's a 3-weight. It says lightweight 3. Yeah, I'd almost call that a 2. 70% wool, 30% bamboo fibers. Wow, this is really nice yarn. It's called Aussie Swan. Look at those pretty colors. I really, really like those colors. That is awesome. Soft, soft, soft. That is going to be gorgeous. 100 grams, 290 yards. So we've got just shy of 600 yards here. 570 yards. See if I can do this without dropping it. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. That's pretty. I love the browns and pinks and beiges together. I'm not much of a pink person. I keep ending up with pink that I like. I really like that. Let's see this pattern. Put these yarns back in here so I don't lose anything. Asymmetric wrap or scarf. There we go. Mary Maxim. Going to start with the magic ring. Ooh, that would have been pretty too. Look at this other color. That would have been pretty too. 3 balls. Crochet hook H. Finish size 62 long. And 33 wide. So you're going to start off at a point here, and we're going to go up wider and then end up, oh yeah, you can see real good there. So there you start off at the point, and then you end up with the wide part there. I like asymmetrical shawls. For one thing, they go really fast when you start working on them. You start at the bottom and it doesn't take any time at all to get a little bit wider. Looks like it looks like a 2-row repeat once you get going on it. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be hard at all. There's nothing weird on here. Single crochet, double crochet, slip stitch, space, and a shell, which is just 2 doubles, 2 chain 2, 2 doubles. So it is going to be pretty simple. This is something I think I would absolutely be making, and I've not used this yarn before. I'll bet it's going to be a fairly lightweight wrap because this is a 3-weight yarn, of course. Let me see if I can get any information on this Queensland Connection yarn. I've not heard of it before. Have you guys heard of this before? What do you? Let me know if you have. Queensland Queensland Collection, COLLEC Collection Yarn. Queensland Collection Yarn. Oh, you can buy it at Webb's. I like Webb's. Rainbow Beach, Sunshine Coast. Whoops, that's not what I want. SUNSHINE, Sunshine Coast. Gotta look up the exact right thing. That's it. That is it. It's about $15 a skein, or a cake. 15 bucks a piece. Now, this is going to be one of those that it is discontinued, either the color or the style, because the only places I'm seeing it for sale are like eBay and places like that. They have it. Ooh, pretty patterns. Webb's has a lot of pretty patterns. I don't know if it's just this color that's not available. Yeah, 0 colors available. So this is going to be one of those things that you can't get anymore unless you buy it, like I said, from Etsy or from eBay or something like that. That is the only downfall of the Mary Maxim kits, is frequently, not all the time, but frequently, the yarn they put in it is either something they've bought special for their kits or it's a discontinued color. So if you wanted to get more, you cannot find it, or it costs a lot to find it. So this is a good project, a show like this, where you know you're going to have plenty to make it. But sometimes when I'm making a blanket or something like that, these are the only times that I will make a what? You know, that thing that you got to make sure you're doing it the right size. I can't think of the word right now. So anyway, that's the only time that you'll find me making those gauge square. I will make a gauge square on something that is not specifically size specific. You know, your basic wearables. If I'm doing a sweater or something like that, I always do a gauge. But on these kind of things, I typically don't, except with the Mary Maxim kits, because if you crochet big, you may run out of yarn. Now, on something like this, no big deal. You just do one less row, and it's not the end of the world. But that is the one and only thing that I have as a negative, a con, to buying the kits from Mary Maxim. Because you are often you're getting yarn that's been discontinued. At least the color has been discontinued. I have found that frequently. It's never been a problem for me, but it could be. So, unless you enjoy playing yarn chicken, make sure you do a gauge swatch when you're doing these kits. Love this kit. I love this scarf. I'm definitely going to be using this yarn for this scarf in this kit. Thanks so much for joining in. I appreciate you being here. Please leave a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. What do you think about this particular kit? And do you get the kits from Mary Maxim? And if you don't, I'm interested to know why you don't. Leave me a comment. Leave me a thumbs up. And I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. That'd be awesome. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.